Imagine you are renting a house. Every month you pay rent. If nothing breaks, the landlord makes money. But if a storm hits and damages the house, the landlord is on the hook for repairs. Now, what if I told you that option trading works the same way? Today, we are going to deep dive into Theta, the silent force that shapes every option trade. Whether you are a renter, that is option buyer, or the landlord, that is option seller, understanding Theta can make or break your strategy. Ready to learn how to play the time game smartly? Let's go. So what's exactly is Theta? In simple term, Theta is a time decay of an option. It tells you how much value your option loses every day, just because time is passing. Let's take an example. You buy a 10 rupees call option on ICICI today. If nothing changes, tomorrow your option might drop to 9. The day after, maybe 8. Why? Because with each passing day, there is less time for the big moves to happen, which you are hoping for. That's Theta in action. It's like a ticking clock, slowly eating into your options value. So, just like how rent is due every day, whether you use the house or not, Theta keeps working whether or not the market moves in your favor. And if that big move never happens, Theta can completely wipe out your profit. It's like booking a stadium for a T20 match every day without playing it. The money is lost. So here is the key takeaway. If you are buying an option, you are paying a Theta, like paying a rent daily. Whereas if you are selling an option, you are collecting a Theta, like being a landlord collecting the rent. That's why Theta is your friend if you know how to use it. Think of it like a playing chess. Every moves count. You need to think ahead. If you are a buyer, the stock need to move quickly before that Theta eats your gain. If you are a seller, you want the stock to stay within the range so that you can earn from the time decay. No matter which side you are on, understanding Theta might help you manage risk, time your trades better, and ultimately profit more consistently. Next time you see Theta in your option chain, think of it as your trading compass, guiding your decisions day by day. Now, let's put your knowledge to test with these 5 questions. Question number 1. What does Theta represent in option trading? A. The change in option value due to stock price movement. B. The amount of time an option has until expiration. C. The time decay of an option. Or is it D. The rate of change of implied volatility? The answer is C. The time decay of an option. Question number 2. What happens to an option's value as time passes, assuming there is no change in the price or volatility? A. It stays the same. B. It increases. C. It decreases. Or D. It becomes unpredictable. The correct answer is C. It decreases. Question number 3. When does Theta cause an option to lose value most rapidly? A. At the beginning of the option's life. B. When the stock moves significantly. C. As expiration approaches. Or is it D. After the option is exercised? The answer is C. As expiration approaches. Question number 4. What happens when you sell an option in relation to Theta? A. You pay Theta every day. B. You collect the Theta every day. C. Theta has no impact. Or is it D. Theta increases your profit? The answer is B. You collect Theta every day. Last but not least, question number 5. What is the primary risk associated with Theta when buying an option? A. The option's value increases quickly. B. The time decay eats away the option's value. C. Volatility makes the option unpredictable. Or D. The option's value remains stagnant. The answer is B. The time decay eats away at the option's value. Drop your quiz score in the comment section. I'll personally check and guide you to the next step. If you found this video helpful, share it with the friend who really needs it. In the next video, we will cover Vega, how volatility impacts your trade in unexpected ways. Until then, keep learning, keep winning.